In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage all your posts using Facebook Business Suite. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to see your content, how to quickly edit or reuse posts, and how to access useful data about your performance. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the Facebook account that manages your business pages. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see a navigation panel on the left-hand side. This panel is where you can access different tools like your inbox, planner, ads, and more. From that left-hand column, look for the option labeled Content and click on it. This section is your central hub for posts. Here you can see all of your published posts, drafts, scheduled posts, and sometimes reels, depending on how your account is set up. Take a second to scroll through and get familiar with how everything is laid out. Next, move your cursor over one of your posts and look for a small white checkbox next to it. Click that checkbox. As soon as you select a piece of content, you'll notice a set of options appear, usually above the list of posts or near the post itself. These are your quick actions. From here, you'll see options like edit, duplicate, delete, and reshare to your story. Edit lets you update the text of your post, adjust some settings, or fix small mistakes. Duplicate is really helpful if you want to reuse a post idea without starting from scratch. Delete should be used carefully since it removes the post. Reshare to your story is a great way to give a well-performing post extra reach by sharing it again as a story. You can also manage an individual post using the three dots menu. Find the post you're interested in, then click on the three dots to the right of it. This will open a drop-down menu with more detailed options. In that dropdown, you'll see things like View Insights, Manage Post, Reshare to Story, and Copy Post ID. View Insights shows you performance data such as reach and engagement, which helps you understand what content is working best. Manage Post may give you additional controls depending on the type of content. Reshare to Story appears again here for convenience. Copy Post ID is useful if you need to reference that post in external tools or when talking to support. Finally, if you need to analyze your content at scale, look for the option to export data. Clicking on Export Data lets you download information about your posts so you can review it in a spreadsheet or share it with your team. This is especially helpful for reporting, tracking trends over time, and planning your future content strategy. And that's how you manage all your posts using Facebook Business Suite.